first stage of the fountain. It's styrofoam, and we're gonna go from there. So let me just give you an idea. As you can see some previous videos, you start off with the styrofoam and you start giving some texture to it. Okay, that's the side view. This is gonna be the front view. Okay, the pipes, the PVC piping out of the filter is gonna be over here. It's exactly the height. So it's gonna come out through here. It's gonna come down through the center, through here, and there's different layers. So it's gonna have that dripping effect through the different layers. So it's gonna go through here, come down, and then it's gonna like a waterfall. Okay, like a natural waterfall. Again, I'm putting some texture to it. That way it seems like there's different rocks. The side I haven't worked on it, so I'm gonna show you what strategy I use. Something sharp, a knife, kitchen knife. In this case, I got this at the 99-cent store. Very convenient because of the handle. So I just pretty much I slash it, and then with your hand, just scratch it. Okay, and then you pick at it. Okay, so the scratching is just to give it some rocky texture, sandy texture, and then the picking at it, it's to give it kind of more like a rock feeling to it. Okay. It's really up to you how you want to do it. This is the way I do it, and it depends on what look you want it to have. So just, you know, use imagination. Just pinch at it, scratch it, give it that different texture, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing with all the layers. There's different layers of thicknesses that I added. So on the top, so this is where the pipe is gonna come out here, and it's gonna drop the water for the waterfall. So I have this space here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a circle. Okay, I'm gonna dig into it enough for a plant pot will fit inside. That way when it's stationary, same here, I made some holes. So I'm gonna make a hole here and up here and put some pods, some plants. So that way it's a natural waterfall, and at the same time I have space for planting some plants. So I think it's gonna look really awesome.